Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Had your lunch, dear students. Puneet, Junaid, Arpita, Yashaswini, Meenu, Anisha. Good afternoon. All of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So shall I begin the next thing, concept for you? Okay, any doubts regarding yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Omission of articles means we don't write any articles. There are some 5 to 6 conditions. Okay, where I'm going to explain to you that where articles are not used. Omission means not used. Yes, Anu, good afternoon. Arati, good afternoon. Rohit, Purva, all of you, good afternoon. Okay, right. Where you will not write omission or omitted of articles. Okay, shall I begin? Now, when you write the name of a person, okay, before the proper noun, so before the proper noun, we don't write. Before the proper noun, we do not write any article. So please keep this in mind. Now it may be name of a person. It may be Maya, Suresh, Geeta, Srini, Pooja, then Preeti, then Jyoti, then here Rohit, then Aradhya, Anu, anyone it can be. How will you write? You will write dash, there, went on a trip. We cannot write any article before the name of a person. So no article is being written before the name of a person. Okay? Before the name of a person, you do not write the also, a will, and you don't write anything.
Okay? But ma'am, for great personalities we'll use no ma'am.
But I told you an adjective should be there, na? The Abdul Kalam we don't say. The great Abdul Kalam we say.
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday also I told you, if there is an adjective between the name of a person and article, there should be an adjective. Then only you can write. You cannot write otherwise. Only condition I gave you yesterday. Yesterday only I gave you. Okay?
Yes.
Before the name of a person, we do not. But the lion we say, the king we say. These are all designations. Lion we can say, the Bangalore we don't say. We never say the Bangalore, the India. No, you cannot write. Dash India, dash Bangalore. Only lion actually, but when we address him as the king of the jungle, then we say the lion is the king of the jungle because we take the whole class. Remember yesterday I told you, the camel is the king, the camel is called the sheep of the desert, the dog is the faithful animal when you speak of the whole class, but otherwise, in front of lion, in any noun, we don't write. Actually, proper noun, we don't write at all. So no article is being returned. If you write dash Taj Mahal,
Ma'am, we can write the lion, no, ma'am.
yes, you can write the Taj Mahal. Why? Because it is one of its kind.
Unique.
Yes, only one. It is unique, it is one of its kind. Then we write the Taj Mahal.
The Taj Mahal.
But for these names, you are not going to add anything. So,
Ma'am, the lion.
sorry?
Ma'am, the lion. Why
I'm
can't?
telling you. The lion is coming, we don't say. Lion is coming, we say, but we address the second time. The lion is the king of the jungle.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you cannot write the lion is coming. Lion is coming. Second time when you address, or when you speak a whole class of lion, the lion is the king of the jungle. The ship, the camel is the ship of the desert. Lion, the dog is a faithful animal. When you address the whole class of lions, then you can use the article the. Otherwise, actually no article is being written in front of anywhere. Even this dash Sri Lanka.
No article.
Except abbreviations. Yesterday I told you, USA, USSR and UK. Except for abbreviations, we don't write anything. So you cannot write anything here. Got it? Now you write like this. Bombay is a big city. You cannot write the Bombay. If they give you like this for the examination, you have to write into no article. Okay? Then Delhi is our capital. Even if they give you like this, then also you have to write no article. They may give you like this. There are so many incidents they will give you. Then also you should learn to write that no article should be written there. Then again one more person here. Newton is a great scientist. Again, no article.
Ma'am, adjective is there, no, ma'am?
Where adjective is?
Great.
Great.
It should come before the noun.
Yes.
If I say the great Newton, the great scientist Newton, then it is correct. But here, Newton is a scientist. We are speaking about his profession.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
guy whom you meet,
Sorry?
ma'am, but he said that the Newton's law.
We cannot hear you. Your voice is very low. Please speak little louder. As this is a very good.
Teacher,
The voice is not clear. Yes.
teacher, we will say that in Newton's law.
See, it is a law. The name is given to the law. It is not Newton there. The Masters Pew College, we say.
Unique.
Not unique. Actually, we should not write. It should be only the should never be written for colleges and schools. That is again a wrong notion. The Department of Forest, we say. We are speaking of the department. The Newton's law. The law is that there, but it is being named after Newton. The Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium we have heard in Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, why you say the there? Because it is named after the personality.
Yes, ma'am.
It is named after the personality. The law itself is not Newton's. It was being discovered by him, then that's why they gave the name to that. This is Newton's law. That is because it is being addressed to that person. Okay, the English teacher's book we say.
ma'am, in the sentence, the Mr. Roy whom you met is my uncle. There we are using the, no, ma'am, before Roy.
There, tell me once more.
Ma'am, yesterday I had given an example, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Rao.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
identifying that person. I told you yesterday also.
So here also they are specifying it.
I told you the second part of the sentence.
It is my uncle.
Who met this man. The second part of the sentence was very important. We are specifying that. Because you are specifying that only in those conditions. There are little conditions. Yesterday only I told you. Because we are specifying whom you met yesterday. The Mr. Roy, that specific person.
Ma'am, can you give same other example for that sentence? Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy, like that.
Mr. Roy. The Mr. Roy, this.
The Mr. Roy.
You can take anyone here. You can take anyone. The principal, you can take again the name also there also. the principal whom you met yesterday, the principal or your college principal, the Mr. Stalin Babu, whom you met yesterday. You can give any example. If you want to change the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll write any name. See, in this condition I'm giving. There, Mr. Roy, I gave yesterday because he's a famous personality. Whom you met was my uncle. She is addressing him as if because he's famous. He's none other than my uncle. Why? Because he's famous. The same thing I'm giving here. The Mr. Kiran, who is a well-known teacher, had come home. It is correct. It is not wrong.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is not wrong. Also, if the person is a very well-known person, if you want to, feel that proudness of expressing, even it can be a thief. See here, any name. See, we are speaking about these characters. Though Mr. Rupesh. Why? Because this specific person who is in the black suit is a great builder and a cheater.
Ma'am, who is in the black suit, no, ma'am?
Who is in a black, huh? A black suit. He is
Ma'am,
a
here-
great builder. He is the great also no Gurukha.
Is a great builder.
The great builder also you can very, no? The great Caesar we said, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, no, here if we are if you like show somebody and there is Mr. Rupesh who is in the black suit, will tell now, ma'am.
You can say in the black suit, that is also correct, but I am specifying here a black suit because so many are there wearing their a black suit. There is wearing
Yes, ma'am.
the black suit does not specify that. It is a colloquial language. He is in a black suit. He is in the black suit. We don't say. I am in a blue dress. I am in a pink veil. Whatever you are wearing, you say. I not say I am in the blue dress. We don't address like this. I am in a blue dress. I am in a blue dress. I cannot say I am in a blue dress. It is colloquial. It is totally wrong. In a black suit. He is in a black suit. Who is the great builder? I can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write? No. Because I have to continue. Yes, no. Who is a great? Because he is among all, he is a great.
Among all,
builder.
she is also.
But you can write the great Caesar. You can write the great Caesar. You can write
Because
the
he was
great.
the only one.
You can write the well-known Rabindranath Tagore, the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. You can write them because they are all one of its kind. Builders are many, cheaters are many, but we are specifying here the Rupesh because we are writing about him. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't go to scratch, man. They will not give you so much. I am going in depth so that you know the whole concept of articles. Because I want that what you study should be useful for you forever. So first condition is we don't write Any article, no article is written before the proper noun. Second one, before, before metals, we don't write, or materials. Like gold is a costliest metal. So if they give like this, they give dash. You should remember for metals and materials, we don't write.
Ma'am, that copper is used in what, ma'am? It is looking like waves.
Wires. We use in wires, huh?
Wires. Yes, ma'am. It's looking
Wires,
like
wires. Look like? Now?
Yes, ma'am.
See here. No. So before the metals or materials, like this milk, commonly used milk, fish, we don't write any article, no article is written. Any doubts? Even cotton you can use. You can use any this thing, material you can use. Metals or I consider material is better. You can use before any material. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Finished writing all of you? Before abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Which cannot be felt or which cannot be seen.
But express.
Yes. What's the abstract noun? Honesty is the best policy. Give me some examples. Give me some examples.
Ma'am, cleanliness is next to godliness. Ma'am, can you write freedom? Ma'am, cleanliness is next to godliness, ma'am.
So no article. These are all called as abstract now. It can be only felt. Peace is costly. First lesson. Peace is costly, but it's worth the.
Not the expense.
Yes. But peace. Peace is abstract now. There also you can use. Peace is costly. You cannot write the peace.
Hard work is the key to success.
Yes. Tomorrow I'll be handling class in the morning. I think by 9:45. We'll send you the timetable. Okay, tomorrow by I think 9:45 I'll take me your class. Tomorrow one day. So before these abstract now, you don't write articles. No article is being written before the abstract now. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, right. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Before languages, we don't write any article before the languages. We cannot write the English is a good language. The Hindi is a nice language. The Kannada is a sweet language. You cannot write all those things before languages. She learned dash French language. And go for dash English classes.
Ma'am, she learned French, no, ma'am, that's all.
That's what no article I'm telling you. They give the exam like this.
No, like she learned French, that's all. The language word we won't use, no, ma'am, generally.
Who told you this?
Ma'am, she learned French.
No, she learned French language. It is not our language. See, colloquially is different, literally is different. When you speak, you don't write. You go home, you say to your mom, I'm feeling hungry, what do you say? Give food. But when you write, give food, you tell directly,
No,
I
ma'am.
want my mom to give me some food. We are more of
Yes.
non-verbal. Verbally and non-verbal things are different. Verbally is colloquially. Literally is what you write down. When you write down grammatically, it should be correct. It is not what you are saying is wrong and not winning. But when you speak, you can say, I went to learn French. I went to learn French. It can be a dance. It can be culture. It can be tradition. It can be art. But I'm specifying with language. What French you learn? Okay?
French language.
Confusion is very important. You cannot write the Hindi.
Ma'am, you are muted, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted,
muted,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kannada is the language of Karnataka. So before the languages, we do not write any article. Articles are omitted. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We don't use articles before the names of relations. So give an example for this. Relations, how are you going to use? Yes.
Uncle, aunt.
My brother-in-law.
He or she.
We are friends forever.
See, before the relations, we don't write any article. So before the relations, we don't write any article. No article is being written. So pay attention. Before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, cook, nurse. It's visible. Nurse is only don't write the cook. Cook has not come today. Understood? Father, aunt, uncle, mom, nurse, cook. These are all relations. Driver. You can write driver also. Because it is understood that our cook and our nurse, it is understood. Understood? Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, before the names of names, we do not write any article. Give me some example.
We played cricket.
Same, huh? You and me. Any examples?
Chess is a mind game.
Then
PUBG is the best online game.
naughty you people are. Huh? PUBG is an online game. I don't know. PUBG, huh?
Ma'am, it is all capital letters, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's all capital letters.
Parlero. PU? I don't know also. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Huh. See how well you know about it. So when you write the games, when you write about the games, no article is being written. So please keep this in mind that I have to not add any article before these. Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you knew that so many articles have been omitted in so many places, in so many things. Very important. That's why I'm giving you the whole knowledge about articles. So that once you read, sit and read and understand, then never you should make a mistake. Next, before names of means. Give example. Yes, give example.
Pizza is the best snack for USA. American people.
What? What American people?
Ma'am, he said pizza something, ma'am.
Say once more. I am speaking about meals. I am not speaking about the menu. You are giving me pizza and burger, they are menus. These are the meals of the 3 days.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Ma'am, breakfast plus lunch. Brunch.
Breakfast plus lunch.
Ma'am, it is also a meal. If we have breakfast during lunchtime, that is brunch.
First you write this and explain that thing.
Ma'am, brunch means we will not eat breakfast at a time, then we will take breakfast and lunch at a time,
Lunch
both
both
at a
at
time.
No.
and then
Then you tell them.
Finish writing this sentence. What is brunch? It's a nice concept actually, but I was very happy that you're doing it so good. Where you're not able to eat breakfast, you take that brunch and breakfast and lunch together called as brunch. Okay, I'll tell you the exact meaning of it. You finished writing this? Finished?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before the names of the meals, we don't write any article. Keep this in mind. Another one, two are there, I'll tell you, but we go for brunch. Okay, what time the brunch is eaten? What time the brunch is eaten? Any idea?
At 1 p.m. ma'am.
Evening.
Afternoon.
Ma'am, noon.
Noon,
12
ma'am.
noon, ma'am.
12 noon? I'll tell you exactly what it is. Now you have eaten your breakfast. There is a gap for lunch. Think you have eaten at 8 a.m. You eat your lunch by 2 p.m. What you have after breakfast, what you have before lunch is called as brunch. That is somewhere around 11 p.m. This is called as brunch.
Understood, ma'am.
Understood? It is not that joining the breakfast and lunch just because you could not eat your breakfast. You are joining both and eaten at a time at 1 o'clock. That is it.
Ma'am, I didn't get, ma'am.
It's actually, whatever you tell makes no sense. That is also correct of you.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
could not eat my breakfast, that's why I had my brunch is also correct. What you said, one concept is correct. Where people go for work because of the traffic, because of the time burn, they are not able to have their breakfast. Yeah, I could not eat my breakfast, that's why I'm having my brunch. Exactly correct, whatever you said. But the original meaning of brunch is, nowadays why this is being started. It is now being given in some 10 years, the nutritions have changed. Actually, whatever ancient people did was correct. When Muslims fast for the whole day, they first eat dates. Am I right? Any Muslim student there, Junaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Come
Yes,
on.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You take the dates. Why the dates is given? Because it contains lot of water. And when you eat or you drink immediately, it starts paining. But when you take a date, the date has a capacity where it will, that thirst of yours and is not going to cause any danger to your body. One more custom I tell you. We always believe, that our old customs are the best customs. We would always say that before the sun sets in the evening, you should eat off your food. Now, Jain people follow this. It is not that they are wrong. It is exactly they are correct. Why? Because then, after 7 o'clock, it would be dark. People did not have any means of light and all. What we are following now is totally wrong. Our body system needs to digest what we have eaten at least 2 hours before we sleep. But what we do, we eat our food by 9:30 and go to sleep by 10:30. Wrong way of eating your dinner. What is breakfast? When you break our fast from 8 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock, 12 hours we don't take anything. That's why we say, eat breakfast like a king, eat your lunch like a prince, and eat your dinner like a pauper. Then you'll be the healthiest way. And when it comes to brunch, it is always suggested you take some fruits and dry fruits. Now this system and this custom, what is being followed from years, we are more adapting to the Western system. Again, a wrong way. Our body is not adapted to all those maidas. It's good. Once in a while you cheat yourself. Once in a month you go and eat how many pizzas you want, burgers you want. But when we are going to, you can see a lot of infertility going on these days. You can see a lot of people putting on weight. You can see a lot of children getting specs. Their teeth, 1 3-year-old child starts decaying her teeth. Why? Because we are exposed to wrong things. I tell you, when your kids come, that generation, the coming generation, I think you should be happy if your kids survive. If your kids survive by 50, 52 years, it is great. The lifespan has totally changed. Our grandparents now, they live more than 100 years. Our parents, they live till 70, 75 years. They may live up to 60, 65 years. But your generation may not even see 60. Why? Because our lifestyle is totally changing. The stress what we are taking, the pressure, although then when they had 10 children, they would be very happy in their life. But now having one child is equivalent to 100 children. Why? Because our lifestyle is, we are adapting the Western lifestyle. Now children don't get up early in the morning. They don't do any kind of rituals. They don't go for jogging. They don't indulge in exercising. They don't indulge any simple, Japanese. I was reading one new book today. It is called as Ikigai. I just want you to read this. I started with this. Ikigai means happiness. It is a meaning of Japan. Why Japanese are so healthy and so happy people? Why they get up so early? Even if the people get retired, they don't get retired. The best thing they say is, when your stomach is full for 80%, stop eating. They work, Japanese work for more than 18 hours in 24 hours. But our people, 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೆಲಸ every person there is a farmer. He or she has to grow land. It is compulsory. It's the smallest island. You go and see in the map how much the space of Japan is. It's a very small island. But people there, they work. You will be shocked. So we are very lazy people. We Indians are the laziest, I feel. We like to sleep for hours together. But this COVID has taught a very good lesson that everything should be simplified. Like marriages, I think if this continues, it will be very good. Calling so many people and not able to see anyone. Instead, call some pretty people and get married. I think that's the best concept. Saving of money. The same money should be given to the children so their future will be very good. But we are not like this. We call so many people. Decoration we need. Okay. So what the meaning of brunch?
Yes, ma'am.
I go for the next concept. Where you should not use, like when we are using the common noun in a very widest way. Okay. In a widest way. On the long way, generally when you speak, in a widest way, when we use about common noun, we don't write any article. Example, man is immortal. Or man is mortal. You can write anything. You can write anything. See, so simple, beautiful example. You can write mortal or immortal. I think mortal is better because we are mortal, not immortal. Man is mortal. Again, peace is costly. We speak in general. When we speak in general, and wide range in our sense and use we never use any article. Man is mortal. Then you can write.
Practice make a man perfect.
Practice that goes to proverb. Practice makes man perfect. Okay, but some extreme no. Then practice what you preach.
Old is gold, ma'am.
Everything that glitters is not gold. In common sense, in widest sense, use they are called as common noun. When they take common noun, then this is the is not being used anywhere. See here, before man, richness, peace, practice, old. Nothing is being used. So no article is being used before these things. Please keep this in mind.
What you sow is what you reap.
Okay, what you sow, you reap. Yes. Okay. What is this?
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
You said it is pronunciation.
And pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Is what you said is pronunciation. But see the spelling?
Pronunciation.
It is never said as pronunciation. It is always called as pronunciation. Pronunciation. It is pronunciation. The pronunciation of the language should be correct. Okay, one more.
Poor.
Now, many I have heard saying, they say poor. He is a very poor people, poor person.
Poor people.
Correct.
Coomb.
How do you pronounce this?
Come.
Comb. It is pronounced comb.
Comb.
Yes, we say comb. Okay, then this.
Learned. Asked.
Asked. Learned.
Learn. It's learned. No, ma'am, not learned. Learned is not there.
He's a learned person. It is correct.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read it. Learn.
Learned. Asked.
Asked. December. March.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct what you say. Because I have heard many people. I asked him.
Ned.
We use that ed. Asked her.
Yes, ma'am.
Asked. Ed. 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 There are so many words we pronounce it very wrongly.
December.
They say precious.
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 Spelling of precious.
Precious.
Pious. If it is pre, it is correct. But we call it as precious. He is very precious. It's not that it is wrong. Precious is wrong. That is also correct. But when you look into the correct pronunciations, see there are some words we don't know to pronounce. I always suggest students that you are so lucky that you have at your fingertip, you have got your Google. You just go, there is a speaker, you press that will pronounce. How
Yes,
to
ma'am.
pronounce. Please don't pronounce wrong words. I know, even I make mistakes. That's not I am perfect. No way. I make many mistakes. I'm very bad in remembering things. Because the workload is so much and so much I have to teach different levels in degree, in PG and PU level. I totally have a lot of confusion in my life. So there are some words which you should always remember. where to pronounce it correctly and where to pronounce it wrong. But noun can be pronounced in another way also. Both are correct. Always remember, noun can be pronounced. There are so many words that there are different ways to pronounce. Both are correct. Noun can be pronounced. Okay, next one. Last and final. Where you don't use before schools, colleges, market. When you go for all these things, then prison. See, remember all these things. When you are using all these things, we don't use article the when it is a primary use. When it is a primary use, when you are specifying any church, when you are specifying any school, then you write the. But if you are speaking in general, school is a place of knowledge. When you speak in general, when you use a primary use, you don't write article before all these things. We go to church every Sunday. Temple is a place of worship. Schools should be reopened. But one condition, dash school near my house has fallen down. When I give this kind of sentence, dash school near my house has fallen down, then I have to add article the, because we are speaking about this specific school which is near your house. Okay? Only in this condition. Otherwise, in general use, in primary use, we don't use any article. Then, one more right here. I learned French at school. See, you can write language also, you can speak language. Someone asked me this. I learned French language or French at school. There you cannot go for cookery, you cannot go for there. See how it is understood. You can write there also, language also you can write, but I'm skipping that. We go to church every Sunday. See, before this I don't write anything. Temple, school, in general use, in primary use, you don't write. But Yagadaram specification there is a new college open near my house. A new college. There is a college open near my school, near my house, wrong. There is a new college which has opened near my house. Then you can write a different article. But the school near my house has fallen down. You are speaking of that specific school which is near your house and which has fallen down. Okay? Done? So please understand where to write and where not to write. See, even if I write, I met him near the church. Specification, when there is one church, I met him near church, you cannot write. I met him near the church. We go to church every Sunday in general use, primary use. But when you say specification, I met him near the church. You can write like that. Then comes the church. But see here, I go to church every Sunday. It is a primary use. So these are totally how many I have given? Omission of articles. Tomorrow at 9:45 I will be taking your class, and next Saturday will be the test. Articles I have done. Examples tomorrow I will give some from what one lesson which is completed. The rest from the rest of the lessons will be easy for you in the future. If possible, I'll send a PDF. If possible, maybe it is not possible because I have to sit down and finish the computer now. Maybe it's not possible, but I'll give some 8 to 10 examples tomorrow and finish off my class. Then I'll be done with articles for you. The following class from Monday, I'll be starting with the next poem, the school board. Okay? So for the test, you may be having school board, or if I go for the next prepositions, I have done prepositions already for you. That day we did a lot of prepositions, isn't it? But still, once more I'll give a recapitulation for you. Then I will start with prepositions, which is there for you. So I'll finish with the textbook tomorrow. The questions what are there in the textbook I'll finish tomorrow. And examples from the course book I'll give tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I end my class? Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.